Our technology is a leap forward for the industry. Today's possibilities are tomorrow's hopes. A company that creates new growth engines through technological innovation. A world-leading company at the center of Korean industry. We will establish future values that will change the world. Eco CNC Company, Limited. Founded in 1995, Eco CNC has contributed to reducing manufacturing costs and increasing productivity by providing all automation facilities in domestic manufacturers' production lines quickly and cheaply in response to the rapidly changing global economy. Our handling items are pipe-related peripherals, manufacturing and selling pipe bending machines, pipe molding machines, cutting machines, chamfer machines, hydraulic molding machines, three-dimensional measuring machines and wire molding machines, and other welding equipment and presses. We provide knife cutters, pipe 3-stage, 4-stage, 6-stage molding machines, water cutters, saw cutters, hole cutters, other mold designs, mold fabrication, and micro-R banding samples to the European market. Pipe-related products are manufactured domestically and exported to various countries around the world to promote the development of various industries and connect the world through convergence between technology and people, as well as between industry and industry. Eco CNC, which is gradually increasing its technology based on years of know-how such as pipe bending, processing, and forming, has been designated as a root technology company through ultra-precise cold multi-stage former molding technology. While its technology has been recognized through various certifications such as patents for bending technology and authentication of merit. We directly supervise and manage installation, test operation, and follow-up management, including all foreign equipment purchased from our company. Together with the company, we will do our best not to fall behind in globalization, along with the development of the company by inducing domestic and foreign investments and increasing its competitiveness. Eco CNC supplies specialized products tailored to customer needs and exhibits and presents products at various fairs every year to deliver competitive and superior technologies that lead to factory automation. Drawing great interest from domestic and overseas buyers and receiving high praise for their technology. Eco CNC provides a total solution for automation lines related to pipes. Eco CNC machines can connect to the internet, enabling continuous software support and updates throughout the machine's life. Internet connectivity can help our technical engineers remotely access the machine to solve technical problems that may arise. Eco CNC training team is always able to train and equip the workforce with the maximum skills needed to take advantage of new machines. Since all Eco CNC research, design, and manufacture is done directly at our headquarters, we provide a single point of contact, lead time, cost savings, and most importantly, a single source turnkey package. And in addition to providing tooling for our products, we can also produce other mechanical tooling to meet your needs. We have grown to meet our customers' needs and market demands. We will always be passionate here with the mindset of providing competitive solutions from highly skilled engineers and growing together with customers as well as technological innovation and product development. We will put customers ahead of the current profits we see in front of us and think from the customer's point of view. Best quality, affordable, and prompt delivery date. We will be a strong business partner with our customers through total solutions for pipe banding. Eco CNC Company, Limited.